Did you know there is an oil that benefits everything from hair to bones, stomach to brain? Yes, we are talking about Kachur Oil, a natural remedy used for centuries in Unani and Ayurvedic medicine. This magical oil not only improves overall health but also helps prevent and manage multiple health problems. Health benefits of Kachur Oil. 1. Natural hair tonic strengthens hair from the roots, reduces dandruff and hair fall, adds natural shine and softness to hair. 2. Brain and nervous system support, helps relieve nerve weakness, improves memory and focus, reduces fatigue, stress, and anxiety. 3. Digestive health relieves acidity and gas, boosts appetite, and strengthens digestion. Effective against constipation and stomach irritation. For pain relief and anti-inflammatory, reduces joint pain and arthritis discomfort, relieves muscle stiffness and inflammation. Excellent for body massage to reduce pain. 5. Skin health soothes dryness and itching, reduces acne, pimples, and scars, provides natural softness and rejuvenation to the skin. 6. Boosts immunity, helps the body fight bacteria and viruses, protects against seasonal illnesses like cold and flu. 7. Respiratory support, beneficial for asthma and cough, clears mucus and improves breathing. 8. Strengthens bones and muscle, supports calcium absorption, strengthens bones and reduces weakness. Ideal for athletes and physically active people. 9. Heart and circulatory health, improves blood circulation, strengthens heart muscles, helps maintain balanced cholesterol levels. 10. Women's health benefits, reduces menstrual pain, helps maintain hormonal balance. 11. Antibacterial and antifungal properties applied on wounds and scratches. It kills germs, protects against skin infections. 12. Slows down aging, reduces wrinkles and signs of aging on the skin, strengthens the body internally for long-term vitality. How to use Kachur oil for massage. Apply on joints, muscles, or scalp for relief. For hair, massage into the scalp 1 to 2 times per week for stronger hair. Internal use can be taken in small amounts under medical supervision. Precautions: excessive use may cause stomach discomfort. Pregnant women should use only under medical guidance. People with sensitive skin should do a patch test first. Kachur oil is a natural gift that benefits hair, skin, brain, heart, stomach, bones, and nerves alike. Used regularly and in moderation, it not only protects from illnesses, but also keeps the body healthy, strong, and youthful. To maintain long-term health, make Kachur oil a part of your daily routine.